Hey everyone! What if one Chrome extension could handle your research, write your content, and even bust myths for your next viral video? Looking to supercharge your productivity and content creation using AI? Meet Fiona, your intelligent research and writing assistant, right inside your Chrome browser. In this video, I'll show you how to install Fiona AI, what it does, and we'll end with a real example prompt where Fiona compares YouTube trends and generates a full video script. Let's dive in. First, let's install the Fiona AI Chrome Extension. Here's how you do it in under a minute. 1. Open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. 2. In the search bar, type Fiona AI. 3. Click on the Fiona AI Copilot extension. 4. Hit the Add to Chrome button. 5. Then click Add Extension in the pop-up. And that's it. Fiona AI is now added to your browser and ready to help. Fiona is like ChatGPT meets productivity mode. Here's what you can do with it. Summarize any web page in one click. Generate content ideas, blog posts, emails, or scripts instantly. Ask it to compare data, trends, or tools. It's context-aware, meaning it understands the page you're on. Perfect for creators, marketers, students, and researchers. Let's try a real example and see Fiona in action. Imagine you want to create a viral YouTube video about marketing. You could simply type into Fiona, "Can you help me compare YouTube trends about marketing and generate a script with 5 tips, 5 tricks, and 5 myths to go viral?" In seconds, Fiona delivers 5 tips. Use trending audio and titles. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Add subtitles for silent viewers. Post consistently. Analyze your analytics weekly. 5 tricks. Use emotion-based thumbnails. Create looping shorts. Repurpose long form into reels. Collaborate with micro-influencers. Use pinned comments to drive traffic. 5 myths busted. Posting daily guarantees growth. Not always. You need expensive gear. A phone works fine. Long videos don't perform. Wrong if it's engaging. Clickbait always backfires. Only if it's misleading. YouTube success is luck. Nope, it's strategy.